Happy morning, all of you. I am Professor Anand Kumar Das. Again, in continuation with the interview series 2022. Again, I have taken the nice topic, nice interview question. Explain what is invention, what is innovation, and what is discovery. As I promised, you are supposed to know whether you are a graduate, postgraduate, or uh, undergraduate also. You are supposed to know all these three things, which is very tricky interview question answer. And nowadays been asked by UPSC, IS interviewer, Public Service Commission interviewer, IIMs, non-IIMs, Fortune 500 multinational company, IT, non-IT companies all over the world actually, whether it's in India and outside India's. And be careful, these are the tricky question. This is not hard question, a tough question, and very tricky. With a trick, actually, you are supposed to answer. Also means smart answer you're supposed to give. Okay, so let's start with you're supposed to answer like that, like this. The sir invention means creating something new for the first time. Creating something new, completely new for the first time, that is called invention. Means there were no existence of that particle, that matter, that article or whatever it is. That simply you can say the particular thing is completely new. First, say for example, when tube light was invented, that is why this is called invention. When mobile was invented, that is called invention. The first time, the first raw material. Actually, new means raw material. The raw material you came to know, with the help of these raw materials, now we will be able to work in progress, then finished goods we will be able to prepare the finished good. That finished good, from where that finished good came? From raw material. That is invention part. Always remember, innovation is further processing of data. Further processing of data with the help of raw material. Raw material, okay, now you have started working on raw material, you converted this into work in progress, that is semi-finished goods. Semi-finished goods, and then you are able to convert finished goods. That is innovation. Always remember. Okay, raw material, work in progress, semi-finished goods, then finished goods. Then the last part is discovery. Discovery means you're supposed to find out something which is already existing in this entire world or on this earth, you can say. That is why discovery. And you may be knowing Discovery of India is a book written by Mr. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru long back when he was in jail. He was in prison actually. At that time only, when he was in prison, he started writing on Discovery of India, and that is very nice book related to Indian discovery. Must read that book. You will be able to know very nice knowledge information on that Discovery of India basically. So discovery is very simple, finding out something which is already existing on this earth. That's where almost all civilization of the world, whether it's the Harappa civilization, Mohenjo-daro civilization, Mesopotamia civilization, all those excavations which is happening all over the world, and in India also. Say for example, when uh, archaeologists are able to find out something, what is that? That is discovery. And we came to know that 50,000 years back we were able to survive, and there were some ancestors, men ancestors with the ape man was there, stone age was there, a certain age was there, like that. So ancient history, medieval history, modern history, what is that? Everything is discovery. So discovery is nothing, it's finding out the existing thing which is already existing on this earth. So these are the simple difference between innovation and discovery. Again, I will request you all, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, share it with all your family, friends, relative and neighbors, and visit my blog if you are a student and preparing for any exams of India and abroad for 100% sure short success. Thank you so much. May God bless you. The happy day.